ये सारी चीजें हैं. So any other question, any other specific question regarding child's health? In future, we will also try to bring some of the pediatrician in our forum, and they can also throw light on the trends that they are seeing in their clinic and the hospitals. So any other last question on child nutrition angle?
So I think it is very useful for people to understand that what is the importance of basic elements of nutrition, and that's very unfortunate that a lot of people don't know how much to eat, how to regulate. Basically, a lot of people don't know. So if we are able to address this particular gap somewhere within the society, that people know that what they're supposed to eat and how much they're supposed to eat for a healthy body and mind, it's excellent actually, because then they would not have to look forward to having medicines and other corrective actions basically. So food is more like precautionally, in more of a precaution zone rather than a curative zone. So it will be great if the society, if we are able to help this thing, help this particular aspect of which is missing right now. And such kind of sessions will definitely help the society to grow and understand the nutrition part, which is the heart of life. One
Absolutely.
has to
agree totally.
One has to, yeah.
We will try our best to give future nutrition type of sessions, and also bringing various other eminent personalities from the food industry as well as the food nutrition segment. So thanks everyone for joining us, and we wish you a great new year and a happy new year, and I hope 2021 brings a lot of cheer to our life, and hope this COVID-19 really goes away soon. Okay, so take care guys, and all the best for the future. Thank you.
Thank you.